Hey people of the internet, my name's John, these are my adventures. Today we're going on to the ferry to go over to Stornoway or the Isle of Lewis or whatever it's called. It's currently at 6:40 or 20 to 7, and this is the view out the window. It's not quite as nice as it was last night, but it will do.
Again.
We're gonna go and have breakfast now. Breakfast.
Breakfast!
Consumed.
What up, schizo?
Breakfast consumed, it was good. Marmalade. Damn wet, boys.
I've got a story. I've got a story. Story. I've got a story. I've got a story. Once again.
Hi there.
What name, please?
Oh.
Do you have any tickets, or do you just
I
have
don't.
that?
I just have this piece of
Okay,
paper.
that's not a problem. So you need to go over to the office, which is the building behind the yellow bus, collect your tickets, bring them back to the van. In the meantime, you can just park up. If you just go round there and into lane number 11, which is the third lane, okay?
Lane 11.
Thank you
That's
very
good.
much indeed.
Thank you.
Once again.
We're now waiting for the ferry in the car. Me and him. The rest have left. We're getting ready to go back to the car to leave the ferry.
Hey!
assumed it was good.
Get your feet up.
We just arrived at the place we're staying. Yeah, looks like we're popping in. Oh, come on. MTV Cribs Part 2. So you come in the door and you're meted by the utility room, which is this room here. You go through this door and you get the kitchen slash dining room with bar stools. Moving on, first door is a bathroom. Second door is a bedroom. Cupboard. Single bedroom. Another bedroom. A double twin, a double single bedroom. An uploading vlog. You've got the sitting room. And then you've got this useless room. And that's MTB Cribs. And I'll see you guys in another MTB Cribs. Right, so where we're staying, there's a black clerical door at this window. I think it's about here. Can't even see out the window. That doesn't help. There's also rabbits. Okay, so I'm gonna end the vlog here for today. Hopefully some good footage. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you didn't like it, hit the like button. Subscribe. It helps me out. And I'll see you in another video.